Hello, welcome to Spokeman Bikes. Just a little trick of the trade. We've been sent a replacement pedal for this bike, but the threads are slightly damaged, and when I'm going to thread it on there, it's not going on so well. So a little trick of the trade. Okay, whatever metal is here is on the pedal is slightly stronger than whatever is on the crank. So what you do is you go around and you don't force it. First of all, you go around and you put it in backwards. Okay, so let me just do that and I'll show you what I mean. Like you screw it in backwards, which will get the stronger metal on the pedal to go through the crank and just rebore it. So let's see how we get on. Okay, so I'm at the most difficult part, and yes, it's quite strong to pull at it. So I don't know if you can see that, and it may even be going the wrong way, but I'm almost like I'm drilling out the crank. So that is bound to be difficult, but we're almost there. Okay, so that's come all the way through, and I believe it has helped those threads to realign themselves, but we won't know until we loosen it and then we try to attempt to put it in the right way around. Okay, so I'm happy to report that that worked like a dream. I hope the rain is not too difficult there, but I've started it, and always remember, loose left is always the opposite way that you tighten. All right, be right back. So there we are. So the left pedal, as they demonstrate here for us, is always anti-clockwise to tighten. All right, so yeah, that worked, and here we are with our Morgan Properties dynamic bike, and that has worked for us. So we're not sure how this came about. Somebody had stolen the pedal, and you know, the new pedal just wouldn't go on. So that's your tip. All right, thanks for joining us. Hope this helped you. A 15 always, by the way, always a 15 to put on a pedal. Sometimes a 14. Sometimes the Imperial, is that the word? The Imperial in between 14 and 15 millimeters. I'm not quite sure what eighths that is. It might be 5/8 or 7/8. I could be wrong on that, but I think those of you who are mechanics will know what I mean. Sometimes that's a better fit. It's snug, more snug. Okay, thank you. Spokeman Bikes, spokeman.net. Thanks for joining us.